Welcome back to the Preconfigured Perl Environment for students. In this video, we're going to take a look at MySQL Workbench, or MySQL Workbench if you like. Here it is. This is an extremely rich environment for database creation and editing. For the sake of time, we can only touch on the most basic features. We've already created a local instance. We're going to double click it to open it up. The password is ChangeMeSoon, ChangeMeSoon. And we're going to open it. And in this view, we'll see a lot of options. There's only a few things we care about in this case. One thing we want to look at is users and privileges. Now we're going to go ahead and highlight root. You can see that we can change password for root. Additionally, you can see that only hosts matching localhost are permitted to connect to root. So, changing the password is a good idea, obviously. However, in theory at least, access to this database is limited to programs, users, etc. running on this computer. That tends to make it more secure. You can see that MySQL Workbench opens each thing in a new tab. Makes it easy to access options that you'd accessed previously. For now, we're going to create a new table. At this point, we're going to take a look at our existing schema, test schema. In here you can see we have one table. And you can see there's some icons to the right of it. Information on the table. A table editor where you can change the fields. And finally, a table itself. MySQL Workbench makes it easy to edit tables. You can add data just like you're filling in fields in a spreadsheet. This makes it convenient to set up small tables for study and experiment. Now we're going to create a super simple example. Under test schema, we're going to, under tables, I'm going to right click and create a table. Name of this table is going to be superheroes. It's automatically going to give us an index. We'll make sure it's unique. There's our little table. When you close it, it'll ask if you want to save. Here's the SQL. Let's apply, close, and here's our table. We can click this icon here to add some records. And we're filling in the data. And there's our table. We'll save changes. Here's the SQL. Apply. Close. We'll reopen the table. And there's our data. Now that we've got our table created, we can close the MySQL Workbench. Just to make sure the service is still running, we're going to go to the command line and type this. And again, the password is change me soon. And we can see that the SQL service is running. So we'll be able to access it from Perl. In this video, we introduced the MySQL Workbench, created a database, and made sure that the SQL service was running. Thanks for watching.